Hi, in 2025, the students who have high grades will not win. Students who have the right skill will win. If you are still confusing what you should do in college, this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Poorna Hari. I am pursuing B.Tech at Sai University, Chennai. In this channel, I make videos which will help you grow outside the classroom. Today, I got 5 powerful online courses which will help you grow. Let's get into the video. First one, AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. AI is one of the most in-demand skills you need to learn. This course teaches you how AI works. It's a short and free course where you can build confidence around AI. Learning artificial intelligence is very important no matter where you are in career. I given all courses links in the description. Please check it out. Second one, Startup School by Combinator. Understanding entrepreneurship or startup is very important. It teaches you how to solve your problem and how to build a product using your ideas. This course is full of real stories from Airbnb and Dropbox and more. You will learn how to turn your ideas into real world products. Third one, Digital Marketing by HubSpot Academy. Today, marketing is not just for companies, it's for all of us. Understanding digital marketing is very important in your career. This course covers content strategy, SEO, paid ads and analytics as well. It's a beginner friendly course. Fourth one, Personal Branding by University of Virginia. Personal branding is very important in this year. It unlocks many opportunities for you. This course teaches you how to control your digital image and how to build a story around your skills and how to use platforms like LinkedIn to attract real opportunities. Fifth one, Data Science by IBM. Data is not just for data scientists. In today's world, knowing how to interpret data gives you an advantage in any role. Bonus tip, you don't need to do all courses right now. You need to start with one which excites you the most. Comment below which course are you taking right now. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friend and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. See you in the next video.